We, of course, are still feeling the effects of the storm this week. It has triggered some catastrophic flooding in a number of places. Some of that still happening, of course. Our Jack Mohammed is live in one of those locations this noontime in Naples near the Crooked River. Hi, Jack.
Hey, Brian. Yeah, that's right. I am here in Naples along the Crooked River. Normally, I am standing on Dragon Back Road, but I'm not only standing on the road itself, but as you can see, I am also standing in the Crooked River. It really flowed through from where the river normally is, broke through, came over the road, and now it's going past there to other parts of this neighborhood here in Naples. Now, this is a relatively pretty destructive scene, which is what we're seeing throughout the state here. Further up the road, we were seeing cars partially submerged, trailer cars partially submerged, lots of just debris and stuff floating down the river. We saw something of a dam here that people said that level was kind of coming up and edging really close to what could be even more disastrous here in Naples. Behind me, that would be more on the Casco side of things, where we're seeing more of similar things. You know, the Naples Fire Department said that they were assisting in a water rescue. A family of 3 and 2 older people were rescued earlier this morning. They are all accounted for according to the Naples Fire Department, but that just shows how severe this storm surge could be with these flash flood warnings. As I'm standing, I don't know if you guys could hear me at home here, this water pressure is pretty intense. It's pushing on me, and if I walk closer to the river there, the mud's a bit deeper. You can see those conditions really taking effect here. We've met neighbors who tell us that the water is just about an inch or 2 away from their home, and they put sandbags down in there as well. So you can see this is very much an active situation that is still going on. And again, that still is that evacuation order here in effect in Naples, also Casco, along the Crooked River, which feeds into the Songo River, which feeds into Sebago Lake, just to give you some peripherals on where we are currently right now. But for now, I'm live here in Naples. Jack Mohammed, News Center, Maine.
Jack, our thanks to you this noontime. Meanwhile,